Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually back with a hair video this time. I'm super excited. This is a pink synthetic wig. It is super affordable. So I'm gonna go ahead and link down below for where you guys can pick this up from. But this is the Magic Lace Curve Part wig. And it's kind of like a bob. And it's super pretty. It comes with dark roots. And then of course it goes down to a nice pink, pastel kind of pink color. It comes with 3 combs in the inside, 2 are up where the part is, and then 1 is in the back. And of course you can tighten it up if you need to. Here I'm just cutting off the little bit of lace that the wig came with. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove my other wig and then put this one on. So I'm just gonna be showing you how to style this wig and how to make it look more realistic in this video. So first, I didn't really like how long it was in the front, so I just went ahead and cut some of that off to make it more even. And I didn't do anything too professional. I kind of just like eyed it and it came out fine for me. And then I took my curling wand because, you know, synthetic wigs can be a little bulky up top. So I just wanted to flatten it out some. So I'm just taking that where the parting space is and just to make sure it's as smooth as possible. Okay, so now I'm going into my flat iron. I'm kind of just unbumping the ends some. I do bump the ends more with the hair that's like around my face, like directly around my face. But as far as the other hair, I don't really like it to be too bumped, so I'm just kind of flattening it out. And here I'm just bumping out the hair closest to my face. And of course, I'm getting the back too. You cannot forget about the back. And here I'm just showing you how silky the hair is. It's super silky. I've had this hair for about 2 weeks now and it's still silky. This isn't the dry shampoo that I'm using. I kind of got a little too close. You're supposed to like not spray it so close to your head. As you can see, I got white spots all in my hair. They do go away. The lights were so bright in my room that I couldn't tell that I didn't get all the dry shampoo out my hair. But once you rub it, it comes right on out. You just have to keep on rubbing it. But yeah, I just put dry shampoo in my hair to make it so it's not so silky and it doesn't look so fake. But here I'm just taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I want to say this is 332 or 330. 332. And I'm just using this to create a fake part. Instead of like tweezing the hairs and doing all that weird stuff, it's just easier for me just to put some powder on it and call it a day. So that's how I make it look realistic. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short today, but I will be coming back with some more videos later on this week. Let me know what you guys think down below. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.